My name is Jannika. I am your German teacher. Today I'd like to teach you about the German masculine article der. There are two parts, so please make sure to watch both parts and to have fun with the videos. Okay, let's get started with the German article der. Pronunciation der. Der. So, how can we know that a noun is male or female or neutral? In many cases we have to look it up in the dictionary. Just an example is der Tisch, the table, or der Stuhl, the chair. But we also do have some suffixes and some semantic groups which help us to define the article. Today I'd like to explain you the suffixes. So the first suffix you need to know is ling. Example giving der Liebling, which will be in English the darling.